Now this is the last problem from this exercise. Here, for 100 students, collected their surnames. Therefore, surnames may be short, that means 4 letters, or 4 to 6 letters, 5 letters, or 6 letters. That means the spelling, surname spelling contains 4 alphabet, that means 4 letters, 6 letters, up to 8 letters, up to 12 letters, up to 20 letters. So very long surname. So the 100 surnames were the frequency is 6, 4 to 6, that means they are 30, up to 8 they are 44, up to 12 they are 60, up to 20 they are 4. Now if you see this class interval, they are continuous, but the class size is not the same. Here 4, class size is the 4, difference is the 4. Here 2, 6 minus 4. Here 8 minus 6, 2. Here 12 minus 8, 4. Here 20 minus 12, that is 8 difference is there. So different sizes, width of class intervals are there. Now we have to change the whole pattern into a proper way. So I have taken the minimum is 2, that is the highest common factor is 2. 2 here 4 dash 6, 6 dash 8, that is HCF is 2, highest common factor of all this. Now length of the, here let us come to this table. Number of letters, the same class interval, frequency is given, and width of the class interval 3, 2, 2, 4 and 8 is given. So width is there and we are going to find the length of the rectangle. So length of the rectangle is so 6 times, we have the same formula I have given you in previous video, and at the same time therefore 6 frequency into HCF by width of the class. This is the width of the class. Then we will get the length of the class. So likewise we have to do the same. 30 HCF 2, this is 2 is common everywhere. 2 divided by 3 divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 4 divided by 8. So after the solving you will get these numbers 4, 30, 44, 8, 1. And we will justify. So area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So width into breadth means that is width. Width into length is equal to frequency into HCF. So width, this is called width, and breadth 3 times 4, that is 12. And here we have taken HCF is 2, that means we have to multiply 6 into 2. Therefore 6 into 2 is equal to 3 into 4. 30 into 2 is equal to 2 into 13. 44 into 2 is equal to 2 into 44. 16 into 2 is equal to 4 into 8. 4 into 2 is equal to 8 into 1. So just I have given only 2 examples. You can write on the remaining example for the tally. Now we will take on x-axis we will take a number of letters. So up to 4 letters, up to 4 to 8, 6 letters, 6 to 8 letters. So lengths are different. So the height, we already got the height, that is 4, and for the second one is up to 30, and third one is up to 44, and fourth one is up to 8, and the last one, that is width is so 8, width is 8 and the height is 1. So this is the way we can complete this graphical part of statistics. That's all. Thank you.